If you're lost in all of these AI tools, I don't blame you. I mean, you've got more options for AI image generators than for milks in a grocery store. But don't worry, I'm here to help you settle for one tool only. When it comes to creative and generative AI tools, the most common task I use them for is generating voiceovers, enhancing images, and removing annoying objects from images. Now, if you search for AI voiceover generators in Google, you'll have 700 million results. Clearly, not all of them are actual tools, but it's still a challenge to choose the right one. And the same goes for the others. AI image enhancement, 1 billion results. AI object remover, 400 million results. Now, when you have so many options and you feel lost, it's easier to get other people's opinion on the matter. And today, I'm hoping to be that person for you. In this video, I'd like to show you the UniConverter that has AI tools for all of these 3 tasks and for many more as well. The UniConverter is an all-in-one multimedia toolbox for creators. It has AI and non-AI features for all sorts of tasks regarding video, audio, and image editing. You can get the tool from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Alright, now first let's check out the text-to-speech tool in the UniConverter that can be used to generate realistic AI voiceovers. This AI voiceover generator offers you over 40 diverse voices to choose from in several languages. You can filter the voices based on age, gender, and different moods as well. You need a voiceover for a cooking video by an old lady in Italian? No problem. You can convert a text of 10,000 characters at a time, and it's done in an instant. The tool, like all AI features in the UniConverter, runs on AI credits. The pricing, however, is absolutely affordable, and you get really nice results. Take a look.
Per cucinare la pasta, porta a ebollizione abbondante acqua salata, aggiungi la pasta, cuocila secondo il tempo indicato sulla confezione, scolala e condiscila a piacere.
The other AI tool I'd like to show you is the Image Enhancer AI. This tool has a bunch of features for image enhancement and can enhance images in batch. My favorite one is the old photo colorizer tool that can turn a black and white photo into a colored one. I just click on the tool, import the image, and then export it. The process is basically the same with the rest of the features as well. The Upscaler and the Auto Enhance features are super useful to turn a low quality image into a high quality one, for instance to match your project's resolution. Now, being able to seamlessly remove parts of an image is an amazing skill to have. Whether we're talking travel photos, product photos, portraits, etc., there could always be something that could make the picture better if it wasn't there. And this tool works very easily. You just draw over the part you'd like to remove, and then you click on Export. That's it. Here, before and after. Now, these 3 are my favorite ones, but let me just show you how many other AI tools the UniConverter has. Video Enhancer AI to turn low quality videos into high quality ones. Subtitle Editor AI, generate and translate subtitles automatically in almost all languages. Vocal Remover AI, separate vocals and instrumentals. Noise Remover AI, automatically removes noise in a batch. Script Generator AI, have your platform-specific scripts written automatically. Thumbnail Maker AI, generate images for video thumbnails based on the platform. And these are only the AI features that the UniConverter has, and there are a bunch of non-AI features that you could utilize. So this is why I'd recommend you the UniConverter if you want to go for a software that has it all. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. But I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.